Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be having a look at the price of Bitcoin, because right now we're forming a bullish pennant on Bitcoin, which is awesome because the last couple of videos we've been doing so well. The targets have been hitting very nicely. However guys, always make sure that this is not financial advice at all. Although the TA is going very good right now, the TA could also be completely wrong too, because it's not 100%. Of course, it's just mathematical edges. So always make sure to look at different analysts and look at different traders and see what they're doing, and also do your own analysis and do your own research. That's why I gave like a very simple TA tutorial at the top right here, which you can have a watch and learn a few indicators yourself. But again, let's have a look into the chart of Bitcoin, and yep, let's see what is going on. So this is the daily chart for Bitcoin, and as you can see, we're forming a very nice bullish pennant. It's a bit more obvious on the 4-hourly time frame. So if we have a look in the 4-hourly chart, and boom, there we go. So right now we are forming the bullish pennant, which is super awesome. As you can see, we've got the pole of the pennant, which I'm going to show you right now how it looks like. So let's bring it up, and this is my Twitter, guys. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, because I do update you guys here pretty often too. When I can't make a video, it's way quicker for me. So this is what we're going to look at. So this is, yeah, there we go. This is the technical pattern. This is called a bullish pennant. When you come from an upward momentum and then you form a pennant, and you usually break to the upside. This could also break to the downside. However, they are more likely to break to the upside according to TA. So this is what we're looking at. It's basically the exact same thing. As you can see, what you do is you measure the target from the pole of the pennant, and then you put it to the breakout zone, so which is at the very end. If we were to break out at the very last minute, so then there we go, and this would be the target. So 24.9k would be the target, actually a bit higher, around $25,000, which is insane. However, I personally like to look at it in the the conservative targets for these breakouts. It's usually what you can do is you can measure the height of the pennant or any other triangle, etc., and then you put it from the breakout zone, and this would be personally the conservative target for this pattern. And you could do it as 2 take profits if you wish, first here and first there if you're willing to trade this. So this is what I'd be looking at personally. And if we look at some of the other analysis that we did from the last video, which was awesome, because we had this there we go, we had this bullish wedge, and this was awesome. This was just insane. We had a very nice call from here. We took the first take profit and we completely smashed it, and then we came to the second one at $22,600 almost and smashed that as well. So I'm very happy with this. This was awesome. You can check that video here on the YouTube channel, and guys, make sure to leave a like. That's all I ask in exchange for this content. I really do appreciate it when you like these videos, and it helps out in the algorithm a lot. And also, you can join the free Telegram channel here, and it's again much easier for me to post. So yeah, take a look here. This is very awesome. It's completely for free, and yeah, you can follow me on my other socials over here as well. But yeah, that's the pennant forming for Bitcoin for you guys. So again, let's have a look at the targets once more. So you could have a look at this resistance, and if we break this resistance in prior swing high at $23,279, then you could open a potential trade, or exactly at the breakout if you want. That's a bit more risky personally. I like it when it crosses the highs before opening a trade, but when it crosses, then you could open a trade to here and then there if you please. Again, it could break to the downside as well. And if we do, important targets, important resistances are here, so $22,588, and the second important one I would say would be around here, so $21,400. A bit more if we go zoom out, maybe on the weekly chart, we can see this as well. Hold on, let's see. Important targets here would be, again, this area that we mentioned. That is the most important target, and here too, so around $21,800. But the last thing I'm going to show you guys in today's video is the oscillators that we want to see, the indicators that we want to analyze as well. Currently we're above the EMA ribbons, which is awesome on the 4-hourly chart. On the daily chart, we are still above the EMA ribbons as well. We're quite overextended, but I think we could have another position to the upside. Again, if we don't, these are the mentioned resistances that we could fall back to and have a small correction. On the daily chart, if we look at some of our oscillators, RSI still super oversold. This is what's worrying me. You know, we are very overextended. However, again, stochastic is still looking bullish right now. So is the squeeze mob. But if we jump into the 4-hourly, this is where we want to concentrate, because that's where the breakout is potentially going to happen. RSI is switching back to overbought. So sorry, it's not oversold, by the way, it's overbought. I missaid it. And the stochastic is breaking bullish once more. But the squeeze mob is actually turning gray, so we could be seeing a small correction as well. So these are what the different indicators are telling us. However, on the 1-hourly, this was very interesting for me. We are squeezing on the Bollinger Band. So the Bollinger Bands are squeezing right now, and whenever they squeeze, we see a huge move to the upside. So like here, for example, we saw a huge squeeze here, and boom, we had a very nice move to the upside. So Bollinger Band squeezing means that, you know, there's either a big move to the upside or to the downside, so I would watch out for that. But that is it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. That's, again, all I ask for in exchange for these videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video tomorrow. So take care, guys, and bye-bye.